Good morning, students, and welcome back. Today, we will be starting with your first chapter of economics. So, in today's class, we will be covering three main points of your this chapter, that is Introduction to Economics. So, what are those 3 points? First is meaning and basic concepts of economics. Second is importance of studying economics, why it is important for us to know about this. Okay, and the third one is economic activities. Now, most of you might have a doubt, right? What is economics? So, the economics start with the word scarcity. Scarcity is an idea of we cannot have everything which we want or as much as we want. There is a limit which keeps us away from the things which we want. Now you might have a doubt, what is limits? So these limits are the scarce resources. Scarce resources means something which is hard to find. Let's say money. Money would be the great example for scarce resources, right? You will never have enough money to purchase everything. Let me give you an example. You want to purchase a phone and a laptop. Right now, you don't have enough money, so you have to purchase any one. Even if you have enough money to purchase both the things, you have to choose over the things which is more important. Like, you can't buy everything at once, right? If you want to buy a phone, a laptop, or a bike, you have to choose that which is more important. What I'm trying to say is you can never have enough money to fulfill your desires. So, it makes money as a scarce resources. Another great example would be time, because the time which is gone will never come back. So it makes time as a scarce resources. For example, you are working but you want to play a video game. Now, here either you have to do your work or play. You have to make a choice. Of course, you can do both the things after completing one work, but you can't do both the things at the same time. We all have 24 hours a day. In that, we have to make sure which thing is important to us and do that thing accordingly. And later in our schedule, we have to take out the extra stuff which is not that much important comparing to the work which is very important. So, what is economics? Economics is the study of people, how people make decisions, okay, given in the scarce resources that are provided to them. But it is not only about the people, it's also about the businesses and the government, how they take decisions. Economics is the study of our society as a whole. Meaning and basic concepts of economics. Economics is defined as the social science that examines how people choose to use the scarce resources in attempting to satisfy their unlimited wants. The importance of studying economics. It helps us to recognize the scarcity of resources against the unlimited want, prioritizing the uses of resources and identifying most important or more important or which is less important. It also helps like us to understand social economic problem of the country like poverty, unemployment, inflation, etc., and try to provide solution to the same. Most of the goods and the services that we use every day are limited in supply, and hence are not available at free of cost. These goods and services are called economic goods and services. We use our skills and labor to earn money and satisfy our wants by using that money. The varied activities which we perform in order to earn money and wealth for our satisfaction of our wants are called economic activities. These activities, economic activities, are classified into four parts. Those are production, consumption, exchange, distribution. Let's see what is production. Production activities are those that produce goods and services. For example, agriculture, animal husbandry, fishing, mining, forest development, different kinds of industries, transport, communication, etc. Consumption. Goods and services are produced for consumption. Man satisfies his wants by buying goods and services. All these activities are known as consumption activities. What is exchange? The producer produces goods for the consumer. There is a marketing system to supply produced goods to the consumer, right? In this system, activities of collecting the goods, transportation, selling, and buying take place. Distribution. The income that is earned through the production of goods has to be distributed to the various factors of production that have enables the production. Sometimes many activities which are not economic in nature becomes economic activities. For example, when a teacher gives you free tuitions at home, it is not an economic activity, but when the same teacher charges fees for giving tuitions, it becomes an economic activity. Thank you for paying attention. That's all for this class. See you in the next class with the second part of this video. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye.